everyone, we're going to use Euler's method with increments of delta x equals negative 0.1 to approximate the value of y when x is 1.7. And we're given that dy divided by dx equals x minus y, and y is going to be 2 when x is 2. So basically, I set up a little table that's very helpful to do this. We can first start with when x is 2, y is 2. And what we're going to do is approximate our value of y when x is 1.7. So we're going to keep subtracting our change in x until we get to 1.7. So that means we're going to have to do this 3 times. So the first thing we're going to do is find derivative of y with respect to x. That's going to be x minus y. So you just subtract 2 minus 2, and we get 0. So it's just going to be 0.0. Let's put it in decimal form. Our change of x is negative 0.1. And the reason we got this is so we can find change in y. Now, our change in y is when you multiply these two. So this is still going to be just 0. All right. And then you're going to find your new values. So we have x minus 0.1 is going to be 1.9, sorry. And then we take y plus your 0. This is your delta y, change in y, and that's going to give you 2. So basically we're at the same place on the y, but on our x we're at 1.9. So let's copy down our new point, 1.9, comma 2.0. All right, now we're going to have to go to 1.8 and then 1.7. So we get to that. So now let's subtract 1.9 minus 2.0 for our dy divided by dx. That's going to give you negative 0.1. Our change of x is negative 0.1. That's the given. And then you multiply these two to get our change in y. And that's going to be 0.01. So therefore, our new point is going to be 1.9 minus your change of x. So that's going to be 1.8. We're almost there. We do this one more time to get to 1.7. And then you take your 2.0 minus plus 0.1. So that's going to be 2.01. Write down your new ordered pair, 1.8, comma 2.01. And we're going to subtract 1.8. We're doing this part here. Minus 2.01. That's going to give you negative 0.21. Our change of x is the same because that's given. And then you multiply these two, and that gives you 0.021. Now all we have to do is to do our x plus delta x. So you subtract that, you get your 1.7. That's what we wanted. And then add these two. And that gives you 2.031. Therefore, when x is 1.7, our approximate value of y is y equals 2.031. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.